channel. In this video we're going to make our car crash into something. So basically let's add something that we are going to crash into. Let's add, I don't know, from 2D object sprites, let's add a circle here. Move the circle here a little bit. Let's make it a little bit bigger by the scale. Yeah. Or we can change it from here. The 2. Then let's come over here, change its color to make something orange. Yeah, something this kind of lime color. Yeah. And also let's add to our car a box collider 2D. Box collider 2D. So as we talked in the second lecture, box collider 2D is these green lines as you see from here. Like those lines tell us when we crash into something, or yeah, when we crash into something. Let's add another component that's gonna be rigid body 2D. Yeah. So now look. So when we start, our car is gonna go down. So why is that? It's because in rigid body here's a gravity scale and it's up to 1. So let's put it to 0, and in our circle also let's add rigid body 2D2. Let's put it to 0 and add component, and we'll call this one collider, and this one's gonna be circle collider 2D. So now let's run. So now when we crash to it, it's gonna move. So as you see, we can now change the position of our, oh yay, we can now like move the circle. So okay, this was all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.